Did you know that your genetics can impact the way that you should eat? There are certain genes that influence your metabolism, your food tolerances, and even your need for certain nutrients. A genetic test can provide valuable insight into creating a customized diet plan that works for you specifically. For example, some people have a genetic variant that makes it harder for them to break down caffeine. So, if you're someone who struggles with anxiety or has a family history of anxiety, you may want to consider avoiding caffeine altogether. Other people have a genetic variant that makes it harder for them to digest lactose, which is the sugar in milk. So, if you are someone who's overweight and has trouble keeping weight off, you may want to avoid dairy products. And then there are certain genes that make it harder for us to metabolize alcohol. So, if you're overweight and you struggle with drinking too much alcohol, you may want to cut back or stop drinking altogether. Remember, it's all about balance. We want to balance our genetic predispositions with our physical activity and our lifestyle choices. What works for one person may not work for another. That's why it's important to find a diet that works for you and your body specifically.